Alright, now, so let's go ahead and try and validate and display my admin name right there. So yeah, the main focus of this video, it will actually be, let me close this off. It will be the master template, alright? If we go right there to us, and if we go, not us, if we go to layouts, if we go to admin.blade, if we look down at the bottom right here, you will see that we have the username right here, or actually it will be the admin name. So I'm just gonna go, in order to display our admin name, I'm just gonna go auth, I'm gonna go guard, like that. I'm gonna pass in the admin right here, the admin guard. I'm gonna pass in, I'm gonna go user, like that, and I'm gonna go name. All right, so this is how you display your admin name. So if I refresh this now, all right, so as you can see, we got our admin name right there. Now let's validate for the login, because once we're logged in, we cannot access the login, or we cannot even see the link right there. So let me do this. So there it is, the link right there. So I'm just gonna copy this, cut it actually to ease in everything up, and I'm gonna paste it like that. So once we're logged in, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go auth right here, and we're just, if we are authenticated as an admin, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna display the home link and the menu right here. This menu that's allowing us to simply display the admin name and the logout link right here. And else, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna display this link right here for the login. All right, so, and I'm gonna go right there and go and pause like that. All right, so now let's save this. We refresh right now, we should not see the login right here, and as you can see, it's actually gone. I also want to go ahead and I want to validate this part right here. So once we are logged, we will only see this part, these sections, once we're only logged in. If we're logged out, we're not gonna actually see them. So we're gonna do the same thing right here. So let me copy this, and if we just go right here at this UL, and let's paste this in. Let's go Control V like that, and I'm gonna go right after this, and I'm gonna go end auth. So if we're logged in, we're gonna display this, and if we're not gonna actually do anything else right here. We're just gonna end auth like that. All right, so save. If we refresh, of course nothing will happen, because since we're logged in, we can't see it right now. All right, so the next step, it will actually be working with the logout right here, and we're not gonna do any kind of new functionality. We already have let's see, we already have the part for the login right here in the users and in the master template for the users. And if we go right there, and if we go right here after my bookings link, we will see the logout link right there. So all what I'm gonna do is just copy the on click right here, which is just this very simple HTML code, which is simply gonna allow us to trigger, if we go right there and paste, it's gonna allow us to trigger this form right here. All right, so right after this, I want to go ahead and I want to also copy this form, or for this to work. All right, I'm gonna go right down this, I'm gonna go and paste like that. All right, so let's now save. Let's refresh. All right, so I forgot to actually fetch the route. So if we go right there, there we go, we can see the part for the href. So there it is. Let's now save. Let's refresh this. All right, so if we hover over this right there, it's gonna go, as you can see at the left, at the bottom left of the screen, it's gonna go to /logout. If I click like this, we're actually gonna log out right now, as you can see, and we're gonna go to the users and right here, which is totally fine with me actually. So let me go back to the login. All right, so as you can see right there, the menu on the side right here is gone. You can actually see the login form right here, and we can see the the login link right here. We cannot see either the home or nor the drop down menu that's displaying our admin name. Alright, so this will be all, and in the next video we're actually gonna go ahead and even validate a little more. So I will see you in the next video.